Hello guys and welcome to my channel. The time now is 5:58 a.m. in the morning. I am riding to Upper Vaitarna Dam. Let's see how it goes. So I finally reached the Vaitarna Dam. I've just parked my bike over here. I don't know if you can see this. I guess it will be a bit overexposed. You can see the water body. I'll just walk around. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the water or not, but it is very pleasing to the ears. The sound of the water hitting the stones is so mesmerizing. मस्त एकदम. बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल है गाइस ये प्लेस. बहुत मस्त जगह है गाइस. अगर आपको आना होगा यहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली आओ यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल है प्लेस. कितना बिल्कुल भी शोर नहीं है यहाँ पे. बस नेचर का साउंड आ रहा है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे. This is around 150 to 165 kilometers from Mumbai, from the place where I stay. If you guys want to come here, then you can search for Upper Vaitarna Dam on Google Maps. It will show you directly till here. I don't think so there will be any network over here. You have to take the help of the villagers. They will guide you through. The place is so peaceful. I want to come here again. Let's go around for a bit and look out for some different place now. The time now is 10:47 a.m. in the morning. Let's see how it goes. I will just hunt around for a different location which is more peaceful than here. Let's see.
Just look at these guys. Water on both the sides. This is so beautiful. क्लाइमेट बहुत ठंडा है यहाँ पे यार. तुमको आना होगा तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दिस प्लेस टू यू गाइस. बस यही है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का सा लंबा है मुंबई से. मस्त जगह है पर. No doubt why people call it the Dhanushkoti of Maharashtra. The water over here is much more blue in color than the water over here. I don't know if you can differentiate it in the action camera or not.
The sun is too harsh. I don't know if you guys see it or not.
मजा आ गया. बहुत सही जगह पे लेन डिवाइडर लगा के रखा है लोगों ने. पूरा रास्ता बना गया. Cute. Why?
So I'm heading back home now. The time now is 11:24 a.m. in the morning. Let's see how is good. So far the ride has been excellent. एक बार जाओ वैतरना डैम, बहुत सही जगह है, बहुत ज़्यादा पीसफुल है. So most of the footage that I have recorded is from the action camera. The overall distance covered was around 350 kilometers. The petrol consumed by my motorcycle was around 10.5 to 11 liters, which sums up to around 1250 bucks, and the refreshments were 400 to 500 rupees. In short, it will cost you less than 2000 for a person. If you are going by car, then it can vary it. But I will highly recommend you to go and visit the Vaitarna Dam. It is very peaceful. It is way much better than Lonavala or Igatpuri in the monsoons. I don't know why Lonavala and Igatpuri are so much hyped. But the only place is, I guess, the only thing is, I guess, you can also camp in Vaitarna Dam. You can search for that on Google itself. So far, the ride was excellent. I hope you enjoy my content. Subscribe will be highly appreciated. Share the video as well. Bye.